Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For this vlog, I will be teaching you on how to read notes, musical notations. Sa Tagalog nota. Kapag nakarinig po tayo ng music or ng kanta, meron pong notes dyan. Kapag nakarinig tayo ng mga musical instruments, meron din pong notes dyan. So for this vlog, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magbasa ng mga nota. Everything is all about notes. Let's start. Music is made up of a variety of symbols, the most basic of which are the staff, the clefs, and the notes. All music contains these fundamental components, and in order to learn how to read music, you must first familiarize yourself with these basics. First, we have the staff. The staff consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Each of those lines and each of those spaces represents a different letter, which in turn represents a note. And next, we have the clef. Actually, there are 2 types of clef. Basically, meron siyang dalawa. We have the treble clef and the bass clef. But for this vlog, I will just be focusing on the treble clef. Okay, everything is all about treble clef notes. Okay, the treble clef notates the higher registers of music. So if your instrument has a higher pitch, such as flute, violin, or saxophone, your music is written in the treble clef. Higher notes on a keyboard or piano also are notated on the treble clef. So kahit kumakanta ka, soprano or tenor, nasa treble clef siya. Okay? Finally, we have the notes. Notes placed on the staff tell us which note letter to play on our instrument and how long to play it. There are different types of notes or values, but for this vlog, everything is all about reading notes. Now let's start reading notes. The first note with a small ledger line is C. The next note is your D below the first line, and on the first line is your E. The first space is the F, and on the second line is the note G. The second space is note A, and on the third line is the note B. The fourth space is letter C, and on the fourth line is your D. And finally, the last space is E, and the last or the fifth line is F. And above the staff is your G, and one step higher is your A with a small ledger line. Did you notice that some notes have a small line? We call it ledger line. Ledger line is used in Western musical notation to notate pitches above or below the lines and spaces of the regular musical stuff. For beginners, you don't have to force yourself to memorize all the notes. All you have to do is to remember the notes written on the spaces and on the lines. For example, on the 4 spaces, we have letter F, A, C, E, or the word face. And on the 5 lines, just remember the notes written on the 5 lines. For example, we have the E, G, B, D, F, or every good boy does fine. Once again, for 4 spaces, F, A, C, E, or face. And on the 5 lines, we have E, G, B, D, F, or every good boy does fine. Now let's try to practice your notes. From the notes given, try to form a word. The notes are A, C, and E, or the word ace. Next, the notes are B, A, G, or the word bag. Next, the notes are B, E, E, or the word bee. Next, the notes are F, A, or the word face. For this exercise, you have to name the given notes. The notes are G, F, E, A, C. Next. The notes are B, F, F, A, C. Next. The notes are G, F, E, B, A. After learning the notes, now we're going to learn the natural signs or natural symbols. First, we have the sharp. Sharp raises the pitch half step. Second, the flat sign. The flat lowers the pitch half step. And finally, we have the natural sign. The natural sign cancels either the sharp or the flat signs. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you again next time. For my next vlog, we will be focusing on bass clef. Thank you so much. Bye.